when you develop something, it's always amazing to see the products coming from the idea to the manufacturing and then to the use all over the world. The concept of the ring came to me from the intraocular lens. There was a lens that was manufactured in our facilities in Moscow that was having this kind of curl in the haptical element. The material was not stiff enough. We were thinking how to make this haptical element more solid and to resist the contraction from the capsular bag and for manipulation. So there was an idea of using this scroll mechanism on the haptical element, which I was then trying to expand in usability, utilizing the mechanism to capture this haptical element to the anterior capsule and then eventually to the iris. 2.0 Malyugin ring came out of the understanding that we need to improve some usability and functional features of the device. And I love the first generation of the device. I still use it. However, we have so many different clinical scenarios in our surgical practice, and one instrument cannot really fit in all these scenarios. So the first generation was good and it is still good, and I love to use it in a very small fibrotic pupils when we need a lot of force to expand that pupil. However, the second generation, we were focused for doing this more gentle, in a very safe and controlled manner, which we need in intraoperative floppy iris syndrome when the pupil is not very small. It is of reasonable size, but then it starts to constrict during the procedure. So you don't need a lot of force to expand the pupil, but you just need to hold it in place. That's kind of was leading us to the development of the second generation of the device. I see the opportunity for the Malyugin Ring 3.0. We had a very productive discussion with the MST R&D team, and I hope that we will come up with the new product very soon. I'm looking forward to try it by myself. Actually, I'm very curious in that respect, so I think there is always a room for improvement, and it's coming. The Malyugin ring is a very popular device, and I'm glad and honored to have my name on that device. Not because I'm kind of a man who wants to have his name on the device, but proud of what we are all doing. I would like to share this with MST as a company, as a great engineering and manufacturing facility. That is a big part of what we are doing together to make this technology available for the surgeons all over the world. The most important is the stories from the colleagues, because a lot of doctors were coming to me during the meetings and said, I want to thank you for saving my coronaries, because in the difficult times of the surgery, you helped me very much, and that technology saved my day. I was happy to know from my colleagues that they enjoyed using this technology, and that is very rewarding. For the surgeon who is having a new product idea or a concept, I believe it's very important to find good industrial partner, a reliable partner that is focused on quality, like MST. The focus should be not on the quantity, but on the meticulous production details that will help you to refine your idea, to improve it and make it viable and available to the surgical community. From my perspective, I was very happy to collaborate with MST and to find this ideal industrial partner whom we are almost 20 years from now, and this is ongoing collaboration, and I'm looking forward to continue it in the near future.